Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Today guys I would like to show apartment which is recently purchased. We bought it for investor which has never been in Florida. It was purchased immediately on a trust in my experience, trust in my name. So basically I would like to share with you apartment which is recently we bought for investment purpose, and I think it's a great deal. And today we're gonna make move in for new tenants. So this is kind of day which is we passing keys. We purchased investment, we did closing, and now we're renting it out to future tenants. Guys, let me show you the apartment and I would love to have your opinion. Let's go. Apartment is 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom with 1 assigned parking. We purchased the unit for $319 and I think it's a great unit with it's again building, it's on Van Buren, Regent Park. Maintenance $650, $3,700, property tax. Why we choose the apartment for investment? It's again washer dryer in the unit. It means people like a lot of people like to have it in an apartment. They don't like to use in common area. Apartment has split level. I mean, one room on the left, another room on the right. Again, apartment for rental income is in perfect condition. We did some small repairs, touch-ups before we're gonna rent it, and today we have moving of the people who are gonna move in for $23.50 per month. $2,350 as I promised. I gave to my investor approximately rates. So we've been vacant 2 weeks after closing, and today people moving in. And most important, guys, I'm not trying to give you dream prices, and I'm not trying to give you some pro forma which is not gonna happen. All my numbers exactly what I can deliver without fake promises. And a lot of agents, you know, on the market, they're trying to be nice to the seller or nice to the owner to promise numbers which is not gonna fly from beginning. And this is things which is sometimes people asking me, Boris, I'm sure you're gonna rent my apartment if I'm gonna purchase. Guys, I'm 99.99999 sure if you're gonna listen what I'm saying. Because if sometimes quality of the apartment does not sound reasonable to the market, for sure you're gonna be vacant. And this is huge mistake of owners sometimes to be overpriced, you know, to be in some kind of dream. And this is what's happening, and you're staying vacant, you're complaining, you're vacant 2 months, and after 2 months, 3 months, you're losing a lot of money. And I got a lot of calls like this, and Boris, what I can do? I'm saying get rid of the agent and call me when you're gonna be vacant. I mean, when you're gonna be in a freedom. Okay, guys, and I don't have any problem with to tell you if you have some person who doesn't make you do good job, fire. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, feel free, and let me repeat: $319 purchase price, rented for $2,000, $2,350. Expenses $650 per month, $3,700. It is property taxes. Boris Gelfand, South Florida. See you guys.